Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is another collaboration with the Glitter Girls, and this time we are doing some reverse stamping designs. The theme originally was spring flowers, but I think now it's whatever sort of reverse stamping you wanted to do. So I'm not that good at the reverse stamping. I don't have that many regular polishes that I can stamp with, but I recently watched a video from Karinas Nail Designs, and she showed me that I could stamp with gel polishes. Well, not really stamp with gel polishes, fill in the images while you're reverse stamping with gel polish. You do have to go quite thinly with the gel polish, but it does actually work. So this is what I was trying in this video to see if I could do it. So thank you to Karina, and I will put a link for her video in the description box. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Modelones base coat, and then I've gone over all the nails with a coat of the it's liquid builder gel or liquid poly gel in white. And then I've put some glue gel on and cured that, and now I'm going in with the white sheer pigment, the sheer sparkling pigment from She Modern, and I'm putting that on all of the nails, and I'm pressing that in with my pigment brush, making sure that it's all in there, because I don't want a really flashy or bright background for this reverse stamping, because I wanted the reverse stamping to really stand out, but at the same time I didn't just want white gel polish underneath, so that's why I've gone with this. So it does have a slight shimmer to it. It is really, really pretty on its own, but obviously with the reverse stamping it's going to look really good. So while I'm putting the She Modern pigments on, I just want to mention that She Modern does have a sale on at the moment. It's running until the 4th of May. So yeah, if you want 35% off, then head over to She Modern. There will be a link in the description box for you to go over. Tina has some absolutely amazing pigments and glitters, and she does the fine glitters that she does are absolutely beautiful. I use their products all the time. I absolutely love them, so I would definitely recommend trying some out. The nails, I'm then going to go in with another coat of glue gel on all the nails and then cure that for 30 seconds, because the glue gel, you can put a gel colour on your nails and then cure it so that you've still got the sticky layer, and that is really good for helping the reverse stamping adhere to it, but also the glue gel's really good for that as well. So while I already had the glue gel out, I just decided to use that. I think you can use a sticky base coat as well. If you cure that, that would be okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using my black stamping polish from the Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm going to be using that to put the image onto the stamp, because that won't work if you use gel polish. You won't be able to pick it up properly. So you do need regular polish for that. So I do that, and then I use a lot of different gel polish colours. The links will be in the description for every colour that I use. And then so I'll be getting a fine liner brush and filling in the images with that. Now, I have sped it up because it did take ages. And I would say that when you're doing it, make sure you do it as thinly as possible, because the thicker the gel polish is, one, the longer it takes to cure, and two, the thicker it will be and the harder it will be, so it won't curve as much, it won't be as easy to mould onto the nail. So this first one that I'm doing, this first image, it's a very thin rose design, and what I decided to do was colour in the entire stamp with the gel polish. Now what I probably should have done was used some regular polish as well as the gel polish, because I used all gel polish, the whole of it was quite tough, and when I went to put it on the nail, it was too big for the nail and it was hard to actually get it to stick down. So the other ones were absolutely fine because they were smaller images, but because I did the whole of this in gel polish, that's what caused me the trouble, so I wouldn't do that next time. So I did just want to say that I was really happy with the way these turned out, and I had a lot of fun doing it, because I don't have many normal nail polishes and stamping polishes, but I do have a lot of gel polish, so this opened up so much more that I can do, you know, so many more designs and things like that. So I'm so grateful to Karina for showing me that I could do this. So this was really fun to do, and I was really happy that I had all these colours to work with. So I am flash curing all this gel polish when I've done every little bit, and I did notice, I don't know if you'll notice when you're watching it, that when I was putting the gel polish on, it was shrinking back from the outside of the design, so I did need to keep going in and reapplying it and then flash curing it and put a little bit more on. So that's obviously the disadvantage with gel polish. I'm going to put some music on now so you can just watch me filling all this in, and then I'll come back when I'm putting the images on the nails. Right, so this is the big stamp that I was talking about that I covered all in gel polish, and it's been cured and everything, so I'm going to try and put that on the nail now. It doesn't completely fill the nail, but yeah, what I noticed was it came off the stamp absolutely fine, but then you can see it's still kept the shape of the stamper. It's not you know, curving around the nail when I press it, and that's because it's a little bit thick, and it's all gel polish as well. So yeah, I probably shouldn't have put as much gel polish on as I did, but I just got the nail scissors and I just cut around the outside, and then off camera I just got the file and I just made sure that all those edges were smooth. And it did end up lying quite flat, so it wasn't, you know, I did like the way it looked, but I'd just do it a little bit differently next time. But I love experiments like this because it just shows exactly what you can do. So I'm just going to put all the other images on now, and as you can see, I've not had any trouble with any of the other ones. If there was a little bit sticking out, then I just got the nail scissors again and just chopped those little bits off at the sides. But yeah, it was absolutely fine on all the other nails because they weren't completely covered in that gel polish, and I absolutely love that I can do it with gel polish now. So this has opened up a whole new world of stamping for me, so I'm probably going to do it a bit more than I have been doing, and I'll need to get some more plates. So yeah, like I was saying, I had so much fun with this, and there isn't really top coating time. I am going to top coat them all, but yeah, because it's gel polish, it's not as effective as you know, when you're doing it with gel and you're letting the glitter come through and things like that. but I do really love the way these turned out. So let me know what you think. Please watch everyone else's videos. There will be a link in the description box for the playlist. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay safe, everybody. Keep looking after each other, and I will see you next time. Bye.